Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to block or limit a YouTube channel that you don't want to see in your feed anymore. This works if there's a channel that keeps showing up in your homepage or search results, and you don't want to watch their videos. Start by going to youtube.com and make sure you're signed in. If you see a video from the channel you don't like, look for the 3 vertical dots next to the video title or thumbnail. This button is usually on the right side. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear. From the list, choose Don't Recommend Channel. After you click that, YouTube will stop showing videos from that channel on your homepage. This is the quickest way to clean up your feed. If you want to go a step further, you can visit the channel's page directly. Right-click the name of the channel below the video and select Open Link in New tab. This will open their channel in a new browser tab. Once you're on the channel page, look under their name. You'll see a row of tabs like Home and Videos. On the right side, click the button that says More. Then select Report User. A box will pop up. At the bottom of that box, you'll see the option to block user. Click that, then click Submit to confirm. You can also clear or pause your YouTube history to reset your recommendations. Just click on your profile picture, then go to Your Data in YouTube. From there, you can control your watch history and search history. And that's how you limit or block a channel you don't want to see anymore on YouTube. Thanks for watching.